Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between dividend cut and dividend suspension. Number 1. A dividend cut means the company reduces the payout, whereas a dividend suspension means the company temporarily or indefinitely stops paying the dividend completely. Number 2. In a dividend cut, shareholders still receive some dividend income, whereas in a dividend suspension, shareholders receive no dividend at all. Number 3. A dividend cut is generally seen as a less severe signal, whereas a dividend suspension is considered a more serious warning sign. Number 4. A company that cuts its dividend may still be functioning under pressure, whereas a company that suspends its dividend may be facing stronger financial stress. Number 5. A dividend cut helps the company save part of its cash, whereas a dividend suspension helps preserve the maximum amount of cash possible. Number 6. Investors often react with concern to a dividend cut, whereas a dividend suspension usually creates stronger disappointment or panic. Number 7. A dividend cut suggests caution to the market, whereas a dividend suspension suggests a major warning about the company's condition. Number 8. Management uses a dividend cut to balance shareholder returns with cash needs, whereas management uses a dividend suspension to protect liquidity or survive a crisis. Number 9. Common causes of a dividend cut include lower earnings, slower growth, or rising costs, whereas common causes of a dividend suspension include major losses, debt pressure, crisis, or restructuring. Number 10. A dividend cut may cause the share price to fall moderately, whereas a dividend suspension may cause the share price to fall more sharply. Number 11. For income investors, a dividend cut reduces income, whereas a dividend suspension removes that income completely. Number 12. A dividend cut is usually easier to reverse gradually, whereas a dividend suspension often takes longer before payments resume. Number 13. A dividend cut is more common in the market, whereas a dividend suspension is less common but much more extreme. Number 14. A dividend cut may be viewed as defensive management, whereas a dividend suspension may be viewed as distress management. Number 15. For example, if a $1 dividend is cut, it may become 60 cents, whereas if it is suspended, that $1 dividend becomes zero. So, the key takeaway is that a dividend cut reduces shareholder income, whereas a dividend suspension stops it completely and usually signals deeper financial stress in the business. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.